Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got a stainless steel colander off of eBay that we bought, which is really cool, and we're going to check that out and see what it looks like. Let's open it up, and we're going to go from there. So let's open this up and see what it is. So it comes in the bag just like this. We're going to open it up. So the bag is completely sealed. This is what it looks like. LiveFresh 5-quart. So this is the size of it. It is a LiveFresh 5-quart colander is what we got. This is everything on it. So that's what it looks like. And thank you for purchasing it. Take 20% off your next purchase, whatever that means. Here's what the colander looks like. So it's real up close so you guys can see. This is what it looks like compared to my hand. It's a couple inches tall. Maybe, what's that, 5 inches tall maybe? I'm not sure. I don't have a measuring tape on me. But that's what it looks like. Has all the holes. And it is magnetic. So a magnet does stick to it, as you can see. So, here's the magnet. So a magnet does stick to it. So it is magnetic stainless steel. It's not non-magnetic stainless steel, which is more of a food grade. So hopefully this does not rust out after a couple years, and it does last even though it's magnetic. So that's it. And that's what I bought to use as a colander to drain out my pasta. Has a little base on the side with a hole right here and a hole right here. I don't know why. And that's all. That's what it looks like. That's the colander that I got. That's the size of it, so you guys can see and get an idea of what it looks like. And that is it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. And also subscribe and join me on my review adventure for everything else. All right? Everybody have a good one. Enjoy. Thanks. Bye-bye.